This video will review removal and installation of hub boards, receiver cards on PPX-1001 series displays. For purposes of safety and to avoid damage to the display, disconnect power to the display prior to service. Begin by disengaging the latches on the power box to access the internal components. The receiver card is mounted on the hub board. To remove the receiver card, remove the screws from the corners of the receiver card and gently pull it outward with your hands. Reverse these steps to install the receiver card. To remove a hub board, begin by removing the jumper board that connects the hub boards together. Remove the receiver card from the hub board, then disconnect the cables from the hub board. After removing all power and signal cables, remove the screws securing the hub board to the power box. Reverse these steps to install a hub board. After you have replaced the components within the power box, close the power box and engage the latches to secure it in place.